Hi everyone, my name's Kimberly. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be a makeup / lifestyle kind of channel, so there's going to be makeup tutorials, makeup videos, vlogs, other fun stuff like that. So if you're interested in watching this type of videos, subscribe to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, so if you want to watch that. Okay, so I went ahead and tied my hair back so I could do my makeup. Alright, so I start out with foundation, so I'm going to be using this foundation. It is the Dewy Smooth Maybelline Fit Me. And this one is in 110 Porcelain. Sorry if this is a little awkward, this is my first video. I'm going to be using this Sigma Black Kabuki F80 brush to put the foundation on my face. And then go ahead and take that down my neck. I'm going to be taking this beauty blender I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape. And this is in Porcelain Beige. For these bags. This is insanely light. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder to cover all this up. I'm going to be taking my Morphe brush, I don't know which one this is, and then putting the powder all over my face. She also has a channel, and I will put that down below, and you should go check her out because we're going to be doing some fun videos on her channel this year, so I'm really looking forward to it. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild contour palette. Looks like this. It's almost empty, but this Morphe brush. Again, I don't know what kind this is either, but and I just like to take these on my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jaw right here. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Like this. The Morphe M510 brush. Looks like this. That glue. I'm going to be going in with the, honestly I don't know how to say it, so this blush by Benefit. And it looks like this. And I'm going to be taking the Morphe brush. Don't know what kind it is, but yeah. Just going to like lightly apply this. This. Next, I'm going to be taking this spoolie, this Anastasia duo. And I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. Honestly though, I'm probably just going to speed this up and not talk at all because I'm not that good at eyebrows, so. I'm using this as a mirror. Sorry if you can see it. I do very basic brows. As you can see, nothing really special. Do you see this right now? You know, I know, I've been looking in the viewfinder this entire time. Next, I'm just going to be putting on some brow gel. Anastasia clear brow gel. And next, I'm going to be using the Milk Kush mascara. Look at the difference. Like, I'm going to be using the Pixie by Petra liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Matte Beige. This smells really good, actually. I guess a fruity scent to it. The Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And I'm going to be using this to set my face. But yeah, here is the completed look. This is just something I would do on an everyday basis. To go out, just something natural, something cute, but not overdoing it. Sorry if I wasn't as talkative as you guys may have liked. This was my first video and I'm actually really nervous. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and I've been looking in the viewfinder this entire time. That's something I will correct on my next video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and comment down below some other video ideas that I should do, because I have a journal that I plan to put all my YouTube videos idea in and I need some help. Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.